Hello students, welcome to the science class. So students, in the previous chapter in light, we had discussed the reflection of the light. We have seen that what are the different images formed by that of the convex mirror when we keep the object at a different position. We have also seen the mirror formula, the kind of the sign convention that will be used in case of a convex mirror. We have seen that the focal length is always positive, while in case of the that of the image V, it is always positive because it is at the right side. Image is always formed virtual and erect there. So this is all about that of the reflection of the light that we have understood, students. Now before we go further, what we will do today, we will going to see some of the numerical which is based on the mirror formula. Here we will going to solve the numericals of the concave mirror as well as the convex mirror. Although it's quite easy, but yes, the numerical is really asked, is the numericals related to it as asked, so it will be quite good to solve some of the numericals related to it. So first question is, that is, an object 4 centimeter high. An object 4 centimeter high is placed. 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter. At a distance of 6 centimeter, front of a concave mirror. Front of a concave mirror of a focal length. For concave mirror of a focal length 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Find the position. Find the position, size and nature of image formed by the mirror. Now see here, what are the things which is given, students? So the first one is, since it is a concave mirror, so the first thing which is given, student, and that is the height of the image is given, height of the object is given. We know that height of the object is represented by h1. So this will be equals to plus 4 centimeter. It's quite important to mention the sign convention along with that of the value. And this 4 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 6 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. 6 centimeter means U is given, object distance is given, that is minus 6 centimeter, because you know that it is always kept at the left side of that of the mirror. So this will be minus 6 centimeter. Then of a focal length 12 centimeter. Obviously in case of a concave mirror, we know that even the focal length is what? It is in front. It means it is at the left side of that of the mirror. So focal length is also negative. Here it will be minus 12 centimeter. Now these things are given. What are the things that we have to find? Position, size and nature of the image formed by the mirror. What is the different position, what is the size and what is the nature? So to get that, we know the mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Right? And this will be equals to 1 by V that we have to find a student plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by minus 6 is equals to 1 by minus 12. Okay? 1 by V plus 1 by 6 is equals to 1 by minus 12. Now see here, it will become 1 by V minus 1 by 6 is equals to minus 1 by 12. Or this minus will goes to this side, it will become 1 by V is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. Right? Now you see here students, we will take the LCM of that. Taking the LCM, that what we will get? Taking the LCM here, it will become 12 itself, and 12, this is what? This is minus 1, so minus 1, plus 6 divided by 12 is equals to 2, so it will be plus 2. So 1 by V will be equals to plus 2 minus 1 will become 1. So 1 upon 12. Right? 1 upon 12. Or we can write it V is equals to 12. This means plus 12 centimeter. So this is what? This is the actual position of the image, which is formed in front of, which is formed behind to that of the mirror. That is why it is said it is plus. It means the image is not forming at that of the mirror, the left side, but it is formed at the right side. It means it is formed behind that of the mirror here, student. So this image is what? It will be virtual and erect. It will be virtual and erect. So the nature of the image will be, student, it will be virtual and erect image. Okay, nature, that will be virtual and erect. Now let us see that what will be the size of the image. So we know that how can we find the size? So what are the things which is given here, student? H1 is given, that is equals to plus 4 centimeter. We have to find H2, and we know that the formula M is equals to H2 upon H1, and we also know the formula M is equals to minus V upon U. Simply equating the equation with each other, we will get H2 upon H1 is equals to minus V upon U. Okay. Now putting the value, what we will get? Putting the value here, H2 is what? That we have to find it. Upon H1 is given 4, that is plus 1 is equals to V is, this is minus, this will be 12 upon the object distance is minus 6 centimeter. Now this minus and this minus will become plus here. Okay, so H2 will be equals to minus plus, so 12 into 4 upon 6. Now 6 divided by 12, it will be 2, so 2 into 4, so H2 will be equals to 8 centimeter. This is what, student, this is the size of the image. So this plus sign is actually representing that the image which is formed here, it is larger in size because the size is larger as compared to that of the object size, which is 4, just double to that. And the image which is formed, it is in plus, which proves that this is what? This is in virtual and erect image. Okay, so we have understood here one thing, that nature, position, size. So position says that it is plus 12, so that is virtual and erect nature, and it is means it is behind that of the mirror of a concave. It means at the right side, and size, it is large. Okay. Now the next one is again with the same, that is with the concave mirror. That is an object 3 centimeter high is placed at a distance of distance of 16 centimeter from 16 centimeter from a concave mirror, from a concave mirror which produces a real image, which produces a real image 4.5 centimeter high. 4.5 centimeter high. Now what are the things that we have to find it? That is, what will be F and position of image. That is F and V. What will be F and V? This is the question. That is, object is 3 centimeter high. It is placed at a distance of 16 centimeter from a concave mirror which produces a real image. So the nature of the image is already given. We simply have to find the focal length as well as the image, position of the image. So here the things which is given to us. You can see here, students, the things is given. Object 3 centimeter high. So object distance is object height is given, which is represented by h1 is equals to, this will be equals to plus 3 centimeter. Okay, it will be equals to plus 3 centimeter. Okay, object his height is plus 3, image height is h2 is equals to, this is a real image, students. You know that real image is an inverted image, so it will be represented by minus. So it will be equals to minus 4.5 centimeter. Minus 4.5 centimeter. Let me write it in a simpler form, that is only h2 instead of writing here the whole. h2 will be equals to minus 4.5 centimeter. So h1 is given plus 3 centimeter and h2 is given minus 4.5 centimeter. Now it is placed at a distance of a 16 centimeter from a concave mirror. So object distance is given here. So object distance, which is represented by u, it will be equals to minus 16 centimeter. Why I am writing here minus 16? Because you know that in case of a concave mirror, object is kept at the left side. Everywhere, student, even for the convex also, the object is always negative. So object distance is always negative. So this is given. h1 is given, h2 is given, u is given. The thing which we have to find is v and f. These two are not known to us. How can we find the focal length? So we know, how can we find the focal length as well as this? We know the formula, magnification is equals to h2 upon h1 as well as magnification is equals to minus v upon u. So if we are, and here in this formula, instead of another formula, that is 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f. Why we are not putting this value? Because here the focal length and the image distance both are not given. So we will move and see here that if we are able to get the value of the magnification, in object distance is already mentioned here, so it will be quite easy for us to get the value of the image distance. Okay, now how can we find here the value of a magnification now, students? So we know that magnification is equals to h2 upon h1. h2 is equals to, this h2 is equals to minus 4.5 centimeter upon h1 is given, that is equals to plus 3. This will be equals to m. m will be equals to minus 4.5 centimeter upon plus 3 centimeter. Now when you will divide, we will get the value here. Okay, so m will be equals to minus 4.5 upon plus 3. Now we will keep it as it is. Now we will put the same formula, that is minus 4.5 upon 3 is equals to, we know that in another formula m is equals to minus v upon u. The value of the m is this. So now putting this formula, minus V that we have to find it upon U is given. This is equals to minus 16. So we will write here minus 16. Okay. Now this minus and this minus will become plus, students. So we can write it is like this 3 will goes to this side. So it will be this minus will cancel each other, students. Okay. So now this will comes to this side, or we can say 16 will comes to this side. So minus 4.5 into 16 upon 3 is equals to V. Right? Now you can see here we will subtract, we will divide both of them, then we get the value here. 3 divided by this will become 1.5. 1.5 into 16, which will be equals to minus 24. Okay, because when you multiply 16 into 1.5, you will get the value 240 and 240, and then we will put the decimal, then it will become 24. So minus 24 centimeter. This is what? This is the value of the image distance, minus 24 centimeter. Now we get the value of the image distance, which is minus 24 centimeter. Now let us move on and solve the another one, and that is the mirror formula. Focal length. We have to find the focal length. So formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Right? Putting the value of the image distance 1 by V upon minus 24. We know that the value is minus 24 plus 1 by minus 16 is equals to 1 by F. Now we know that this will becomes like this. Right? Now taking the LCM, what we will get, students? LCM will be 48. Now when you divide 24 by 48, it will become 2 times and it will become minus 2. And when you divide 16 to 48, then you will get minus 3. Right? Minus 2 and minus 3. Now this minus will become plus is equals to 1 by F. So 1 by F will be equals to minus plus. So 3 plus 2, 5. But you know that the value will remain minus only. So it will become minus 5 upon 48 centimeter, or F will be equals to minus 48 upon 5. Okay? Or when we will solve it, we will get the value that will be equals to minus 9.6 centimeter. So the value of the focal length that we will get is minus 9.6 centimeter. This is the value of a focal length. Okay. Now let us solve some of the questions which is related to that of the convex mirror also. So, question is, that is, focal length of a convex mirror. Focal length of a convex mirror. Focal length of a convex mirror is 2 meter. Is 2 meter. A bus is located at a distance. A bus is located at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror. Of 5 meter from the mirror. Find the position, nature and size of the image. find the position, nature and size of image, size of focal length of a convex mirror is 2 meter. Bus is located at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror. Find the position, nature and size of the image, students. So this is the whole question. What are the things which is given here? Let us write it down and then we will solve the question. So focal length is given and this will be equals to, represented by small f, it will be equals to 2 meter. Bus is located at a distance of 5 meter from the mirror. So object distance is given, that is equals to minus 5 meter. Here, why I had made this focal length of the convex mirror as a plus 2 meter, students? Because we know that the focal length of the convex lens is always positive. It is at the right side. And that is why it is always positive. While the object distance is always negative. What are the things that we have to find it? We have to find B. We have to find the H2. And also we have to find the nature of the image. Okay. So the nature of the image also. What kind of an image it is. Obviously in case of a convex mirror, it's quite very easy for us to understand that it will be a virtual and erect image only. Okay. Now see here. So, using the formula, mirror formula, 1 by V plus 1 by is equals to 1 by S, students. You must use the same formula because out of these 3, 2 that is known to us and the third one that we have to find it. So, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by minus 5 is equals to 1 by 2. That is the focal length. Now, this minus, it will become like 1 by V minus 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 2. Now this minus 5 will goes to this one and it will become plus. So 1 by V will be equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Now taking the LCM, it will become 10. Here it will become 5 and this will become 2. Right? So 1 by V will be equals to 7 by 10. That will be equals to 7 by 10. Now if we want to get the value of the V, it means the position of the V. So this will be equals to V is equals to 10 upon 7. Or we can say that dividing this we get the value that is 1.428 meter. 1.428 meter. So this is what, this is the position of the image, that is 1.428. What is the nature? So as we can see, nature will be as the value that we get of the V is in plus. So it will be virtual and erect. So image formed is in positive sign. So it will be virtual and erect. It will be virtual and erect. What about the magnification? So magnification will be equals to, M will be equals to minus V upon U, and M will be equals to minus V, it will be equals to, students, minus V will be also equals to minus 1.428 divided by, this is also equals to minus 5. So this minus will cancel each other and ultimately we will get a value that will be equals to 0.285. So this 0.258 is in positive. So magnification, it means the object is this much smaller than that of the, so the this is the magnification. So we can say here that here the image is this much smaller than the size of the object. Means it is quite, the image is lesser in size than that of the object, students. Okay, it is virtual and erect. This is the one question. Moving on, and we will see another question related to it. So, question is, that is, an object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter. At a distance of 20 centimeter from a convex mirror of focal length, from a convex mirror of a focal length of 15 centimeter. Find position and nature size of the image. Find position, nature and size of image. Now we will solve the answer, students. Answer will be, what are the things which is given here? Object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeters. So U is given, that is minus 20 centimeter. Of a focal length of a convex mirror, that is 15. So if it is a focal length of a convex mirror, so it will be plus 15 centimeter. And we have to find B, and we have to find the magnification also. So formula is 1 by B plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by F. Right? Putting the value here, 1 by B, that we have to find, plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by minus 20 is equals to 1 by F is equals to 1 by 50. Okay. Now this can also be, can write it 1 by V minus 1 by 20 is equals to 1 by 50. Or 1 by V is equals to, this 20 will goes to this direction, it will become 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Taking the LCM of this, students, it will become 1 by V is equals to 60. Now when we divide 15 to that of the 60, we get the value here, that will be equals to 21. So 21 plus, dividing the 60 by 20, it will become 3. So 21 plus 3, and this will be equals to, again 1 by B is equals to 24 upon 60. 24 upon 60. So we can write it here, that is, sorry students, it will be not 21 is a very high answer. It will be 4, sorry. 60 divided by 15, it will become 4. So it will be 4 plus 3. Now this will be equals to 7 upon 60. Or we can say V is equals to 60 upon 7. So we get the value of that of a V is equals to 60 upon 7, students. Which will be equals to, if we will divide it, we will get the value, that will be plus 8.57 centimeter. 57 centimeter. Now, if this is plus, students, so this help us in telling that the object is what? It is virtual and erect. Okay, so here it is, nature will be virtual and erect image. Virtual and erect. And the size of the image that we will get, so magnification is equals to minus V upon U. Value of a V is given is minus, this is 8.57 divided by minus U is given, this is 20 centimeters, so minus 20. This minus will cancel each other, and when we will divide, we will get the value that is equals to, it will be equals to 0.4285. So this is plus 0.428, which is actually the size of the image. Okay.